Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to bypass website block on school Chromebook. Okay, first you'll have to go and open the Google Docs on your school email. Then you'll have to search for the website that you want to actually unblock it. So here I have the website. I'm going to click on the right click, then copy the link. Then I'm going to click on insert and go to link. Then I will add the link just right here. Then click on apply. Okay, this will click a clickable link on your Google Docs. Now you're going to do the same process for the login page. So here I will go back and type here login, for example. Then I have here this login page. I will copy the link again, then go and open my Google Docs and go and click on insert link, then do the same process and click on apply. Now, in order to open this link on your Chromebook, now we are going to save this file as a PDF. So now I will go and click on file, then go and click on download, then PDF option. Now it has been downloaded to my own PC with a PDF. I'm going to open it. And now what you should do is to simply go and open the PDF and go and click on the clickable link, and it will redirect you to the login page, as you can see. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.